Guys, my name is Luis Eduardo Oquista Sereno. We are presentation of this Home Depot ceiling fan. Woo! This is the Hogger. The box. Ha ha. Those empty. Or discontinue the ceiling fan. Discontinue. The new ceiling fan of this Hanson Bay Molina. Hanson Bay Clarkston 2. Vamos. Hanson Bay Clarkston 2 blush nickel, Hanson Bay Clarkston 2 white, Hanson Bay Littleton, Honda Creators Collection Featherage, Hanson Bay Glendale, Hunter Crown Canyon, Hunter Estate Whims. Here's the Hunter Crown Canyon. Very nice on this Hanson Bay. Is a windward red, color red and white, brush nickel, old bronze and red. The box. We got this Hanson Bay is Stonebridge. Very nice of the Hanson Bay is Stonebridge. Similar of this Hunter Crown Canyon. Okay. Hunter Air Half. Non-touch broken. Top blade. This place. And this. And the box. Airflow, no marsh airflow. Very slow. Maloney. Glendale. Category collection Cotner. Hunter Cheney, not broken LiDAR. It's a Hunter Ultras. Is a Honda Creators Collection Kenfu. Hunter Benson. This is the live features. Hunter, Shiny, Tinfro. Handsome by Holly Spring, Hunter Shiny. He's a Edler. He's a new Edler. In the box. Here's a Handsome by Artura. Honda Creators Collection Artura. Iron Krebs. Handsome by Clarkston 1. Handsome by Clarkston 1. Goodbye. Hunter O'Cross, Handsome by Glendale, Honda Creators Collection Tahiti Breeze. Honda Creators Collection Shaker on the Bell. Hunter Highbury, Hunter Osborne, Handsome by Minaj, and Handsome by Rockford. The box. Honda Creators Collection Carrington, Handsome by Roughly, Honda Creators Collection Wingward, Yi Van, Honda Creators Collection Polwen, Honda Creators Collection Amaretto, Hunter Shiny, Bronze. The Hunter and Turo 52 White Finch. Honda Creators Collection Magri, Handsome by Glendale, Honda Creators Collection Magri White, Honda Creators Collection Gamali, Handsome by Brockhurst, and Honda Creators Collection Wingbar. In the box. Hunter Crown. Hunter Crown. Cherry breeds. To New Zealand fans, it's a Hunter Bishop Yield. Indulging Outdoors. Nice ceiling fans. Handsome by Avena. Handsome by Seaport. Handsome by Gazebo. Honda Creators Collection Palm Cove. Handsome by Industrial 1. Hunter Marino. Handsome by Industrial 2. Looks like on the Hunter Marino. Displays. So it's about the Hunter Bishop Yield. The box of the Hunter Mariner We got the airflow. And the main industrial. I love Honda Cruise Collection Magri Bennett Hunter Channel side Honda Cruise Collection Javana Honda Cruise Collection Bretter Honda Cruise Collection Accurately Hampton Bay Gazebo Hampton Bay Barnes Bay Nice Hunter and Hunter Crown Camel. The Honda Cruise Collection Corner. Honda Cruise Collection Wingward. Nice anything. And Pullman. Thank you for watching.